So today we're going to be doing a CombLine install as well as a few keratins just to create a little bit of volume within my client's hair. So if you remember from our last video, I did install some V-Light hair extensions on this client, and personally we just find that the CombLine works much better for her. With the V-Light we found that she was having more shedding than the CombLine, so we did switch her back to that CombLine, and that's what I'm going to do for you guys today.
Check me out. Don't I look good? I know I do. It's a glow up, baby. Could it be my hair? Maybe it's my purse. Maybe it's the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I'm a hair extension specialist based in Los Angeles. So let's talk a little bit about the CombLine and how we prep the hair. So I started by removing all of those old keratins because they'd been in her hair for about 2 or 3 months now. So removed that row of keratins, and then I went in and clarified her natural hair. Whenever we're working with CombLine, it's really important that we clarify the hair. You cannot install that CombLine and expect a successful outcome if you don't have that squeaky clean hair. Any sort of oil or product is going to act as a barrier to that adhesive, so it's important that we clarify. I then blow dried her, smooth and straight, and then I also straighten those extensions ready for the install.
Baby, I'm the proof. I'm the one who gets it done. I'm number one, not two. Get yourself together, girl, get in your bag. Wait, they gon' clock. Let them all know that it's the comeback. It's a glow up, you can hashtag.
So I started by installing those keratins. We only did a few of them just to create a really nice weight line through the back, and then we went in with the CombLine. She still had some of those V-Lights in, which looked actually really great, but she had lost a lot on this side here. So I went in and I did all of the CombLine in that section there, and then I filled in a few where they were missing in this area here. I do find that the CombLine works so well for her because it creates a connection between her bangs and that weight line, because she has a really beautiful bob haircut.
Upgrade, new style, glow up, better go glow girl. New wave, who's that? Glow up, better go glow girl. Tryna count me out, but I'm begging you with a brand new style and an attitude. So what? Better go glow girl. Glow up. Look at you, what a view, lady, you got class. You got it all, yes you do, but you're missing something. I can see you fronting like you want for nothing. Look at all you have, but you need some loving. Yeah, it's been too long, you've been starved of the love you deserve. Baby, I know you're worth much more. Baby, just give me a shot. I know the flavor of love, whipping the pot, all that you need, serving it hot. Baby, I know how you feel. You want something more, something real. Come get this love, get your fill. I ain't no snack, I'm a full course meal. Baby, I know you're tired of playing games. Yeah. Lovers come and go, but they all the same. They might hit that spot when the feeling's gone, but you should try my love, it goes on and on. It's been too long, you've been starved of the love you deserve. Baby, I know you're worth much more. Baby, just give me a shot. I know the flavor of love, whipping the pot, all that you need, serving it hot. Baby, I know how you feel. You want something more, something real. Come get this love, get your fill. I ain't no snack, I'm a full course meal. Baby, I know how you feel. You want something more, something real. Come get this love, get your fill. I ain't.
So what are the differences between V-Light and CombLine? From my experience and what I've noticed, The main difference is obviously that adhesive. So with CombLine, your adhesive has a shorter shelf life, and then once you've opened that package, it actually only lasts for about 2 weeks. With your V-Lite, it does have a longer shelf life. I think it's about a year, and then once you've opened it, it has 6 months until it expires. So that's probably the main difference. Application wise, it's actually very similar. The only thing about the CombLine is we don't need that V-Lite to cure the extension bond. All we need is the CombLine tool. So I do find that the installation is a little bit quicker as well.
I know how you feel. You want something more, something real. Come get this love, get your fill. I ain't no snack, I'm a full course meal. I've been craving this for far too long. I want to do what's right till it feels wrong. Got my eyes on what I want now, standing there in front of me. I don't wanna have to slow down. It's so close I can hardly breathe. I can't hold back when there's something I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. I've come too far to give up what I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. I won't lie, I have to try. I can hide the fire inside of me. I can't hold back when there's something I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. Oh, yeah. It's been my obsession for so long. Yeah. I won't give up, I'll always brave the storm. Yeah, yeah. Got my eyes on what I want now, standing there in front of me. I don't wanna have to slow down. It's so close I can hardly breathe. I can't hold back when there's something I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. I've come too far to give up what I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. I won't lie, I have to try. I can hide the fire inside of me. I can't hold back when there's something I want. I'm giving everything that I've got. I see.
I love experimenting with different hair extension methods. Hair extensions are not a one-size-fits-all. That's why some methods might work really well for some clients and other methods may work better. Right now, I'm still figuring out which one I prefer, if any, but for my client today, I do think that the CombLine is just the better option for her. So I will keep you updated with my findings. I'm still really enjoying playing around with the V-Lite and finding who is the ideal client for that.
Oh, I'd never be lonely if I had you by my side. Oh, I'd never be lonely if I had you day and night. The darkness.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here as always. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to drop them in the comment section below. And please, if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.